Okay, guys, so for the very last video, I said I would wrap it up, and what we're going to do is we're going to talk about these 4 core tenets one more time, okay? But in a different way. Redbubble, in order for you to get a sale on Redbubble, in order for you to get likes, in order for you to get orders, in order for you to get attention, what you need to do is you need to control the amount of traffic you get. Does that make sense? And traffic is completely controllable in different aspects. Sometimes your traffic can come from the Google search, as we demonstrated. Sometimes the traffic you get can come from the Redbubble search, as we demonstrated. Sometimes the traffic can simply come from social media, as we demonstrated. But at the end of the day, the thing that's going to make the consumer buy is if they have a genuine desire for your product. So there's 2 things that's needed to actually achieve the sale, which is number 1, traffic, and number 2, genuine desire. But out of those 2 things that create the sale, the 2 things then beget or create the 4 core tenets, or the 4 steps to Redbubble success. And like I said, the 4 steps are titling the product accurately so you get attention from Google, tagging the product properly so that you get attention from Redbubble, and we already discussed how this is done by simply adding tags that purely represent the product. Okay. The third thing is having a attractive looking design, or a design that many people would deem attractive, because if it's not attractive, they simply won't buy it. And number 4 is artificially raising the amount of traffic you get, the amount of targeted traffic, by using social media. Okay. So those are the 4 main core tenets of your Redbubble success or Redbubble sale.